What if I told you? The most secretive fighter jet America has ever built, a plane that most people thought was still sitting on a drawing board, may have already been flying combat missions over Iran. No press conference, no official announcement, no leaked footage, just silence, and a six-letter designation that the Pentagon refused to even acknowledge existed, until the president himself let it slip. The F-47. And what you're about to hear is not science fiction. Welcome back to Aero Strike, where we cut through the noise and bring you the sharpest analysis on the military aircraft shaping our world. I'm going to walk you through everything we know and everything that's being quietly hidden about the F-47's possible operational deployment. By the end of this video, you'll understand why this isn't just another stealth jet story. This could be the most significant shift in air combat history, happening right now, in real time. What is the F-47? Let's start at the beginning. The F-47 is America's sixth-generation air dominance fighter, built by Boeing under the Air Force's NGAD, Next Generation Air Dominance, program. This is not an upgrade. This is not an evolution. This is a generational leap. Unlike the F-22 or F-35, the F-47 was designed from the ground up to operate in contested, denied airspace, the kind of environment where even our best jets today would struggle to survive. It integrates AI-powered systems, extreme low observable stealth, and the ability to command entire squadrons of loyal wingman drones. Unmanned aircraft that fly alongside it, take the hits, and extend its reach beyond anything humanly possible. And here's what makes this different from every stealth program before it. The F-47's existence was not confirmed through the usual channels. No congressional hearing. No scheduled press briefing. President Trump mentioned it, almost casually, during a White House event. The Air Force then confirmed it, and the world went quiet. The Iran connection. Now here's where it gets serious. In May 2026, the United States military conducted a series of precision strikes inside Iran. The stated targets: nuclear infrastructure, missile production facilities, command and control nodes. And within hours of those strikes, something unusual started appearing in defense intelligence circles. Reports from open-source analysts tracking radar emissions and flight profiles noted anomalous signatures in the region. Signatures that didn't match any known aircraft in the U.S. inventory. Not B-2s, not F-22s. Something else. Something that barely registered. Now, the Pentagon has said nothing. Zero confirmation. And that silence itself is telling. Because when the U.S. uses known assets, B-2s, Tomahawks, F-35s, they typically confirm the platform within 24 to 48 hours. It's part of the deterrence message. You say what hit you so your enemy knows what they're up against. But this time, silence. And multiple former defense officials, speaking anonymously, have suggested to outlets like the War Zone and Breaking Defense that NGAD-class assets may have been operationally evaluated during the Iran campaign, not as the primary strike weapon, but as a sensor fusion and penetrating surveillance platform, operating deep inside Iranian airspace without detection. Why the F-47? Why now? This raises an obvious question. Why would the military risk deploying an unproven platform in a live combat zone? The answer is simpler than you think. Because Iran has layered air defenses, Russian-supplied S-300 systems, domestically developed Bavar 373 batteries, electronic warfare capabilities that have evolved significantly over the past decade. Traditional assets, even the F-35 with its advanced stealth, carry risk in that environment. But the F-47? If the design specs that have leaked out of NGAD documents are accurate, this aircraft was specifically engineered to defeat next-generation integrated air defense systems. It doesn't just avoid radar. It manages its own electromagnetic signature in real time using onboard AI. Think about that. A fighter jet that can sense what radar frequencies are scanning it and adapt its stealth profile mid-flight. That is not 2025 technology in the traditional sense. That is warfare from the future, deployed today. And if it worked over Iran, it just proved itself in the most contested airspace outside of China and Russia. That's not just a milestone. That's a strategic statement. The drone swarm factor. But here's the layer that most coverage is completely missing. The F-47 doesn't fight alone. It fights as a system. The NGAD concept pairs the manned aircraft with collaborative combat aircraft, CCAs. These are AI-driven drones, built by Anduril and General Atomics, designed to fly alongside the F-47 as loyal wingmen. Some carry sensors, some carry weapons, some are designed to absorb enemy fire, to protect the manned aircraft by drawing missile lock. In military terms, they're called attritable assets, expendable by design. If the F-47 was operating over Iran, even in a surveillance role, the question becomes, were CCAs deployed with it? Because if they were, we didn't just fly a new jet. We tested the entire sixth-generation warfare ecosystem in a real combat environment. What this means globally? Let's zoom out. Because Beijing and Moscow are watching this very closely. China has been developing its own sixth-generation program, the J-36, and has recently unveiled what appears to be a flying wing design with no-tail surfaces, suggesting extreme stealth optimization. If the US just demonstrated that its sixth-gen aircraft is already operational while China is still in flight testing, that's a gap that cannot be ignored in Beijing. Russia, dealing with the ongoing attrition of its conventional forces in Ukraine, is watching American technological acceleration with real concern. Their next-generation air defense systems, Triumph S-500 variants, were designed to counter sixth-gen threats. But those systems take years to field at scale. The F-47 may have just bought the United States a window of absolute air superiority, and nobody outside a handful of classified briefing rooms knows exactly how wide that window is. Here's what we know for certain. The F-47 exists. It has been confirmed at the highest levels of the US government. It represents a category of capability that no adversary currently fields. And the timing of the Iran strikes, combined with those unexplained radar signatures, raises questions that the Pentagon has chosen not to answer. Silence, in military intelligence, is always an answer. If you want to keep tracking what's actually happening in the skies, not what the headlines tell you, hit subscribe and make sure the bell is on. We go deeper so you don't have to. Drop your take in the comments. Do you think the F-47 has already been combat tested? Let's hear it.